Hi friends, in this episode we are going to present you the concept of a commercial armature. This is with me. This is a handmade educational armature designed personally by me by having the coils on different slots. This is a cylindrical design. So wherever it goes, there will be interception of the magnetic field. So uniformity will be best maintained in this type of armatures. But one thing you have to take a note, this commutator has been segmented into many pieces. There is gap between each and every segments, uniformly maintained. So for a commercial armature, this is most important part. And this is made in machine setups. Uniformity must be maintained, strength must be maintained, connection points must be properly arranged. There should be the individual gaps should be maintained, and the rotational balance should be maintained. You should not have an uneven balance. Keeping all these factors in mind, this armature, I give you a comparison compared to this armature. You will take a note. This is the simplest armature as we study in our books, in a rectangular conductor. This is one side of this coil and the other side of the coil, and this is the magnetic poles. So the magnetic field does exist between these two poles. Initially I have kept armature in between, but today I will keep my armature above and I now go post it. So this is a very convenient design for testing different armatures at the same time. Before giving power to the commutator, please check whether your armature rotates smoothly by your hand or not. If it is confirmed, then your power should be ready. How we test the power? Our terminals are ready because this lamp is glowing. This confirms that the terminals which you will be using for providing current to the commutator segments is active. If it does not glow, there will be no current. So how could you provide power here? Now be ready. I will be selecting a best possible position so that my hand does not obstruct. I keep the black wire down, red wire up, and place it on the commutator, and showing you that even though it is at a gap with the magnetic poles, but the field lines do exist, and your rotation is very smooth. RPM goes on increasing as I brush it efficiently. This is called the mechanical brushing, but here there is no spring mechanism. This is by manually I am doing. Now the rotation was towards camera side. That means if I rotate this, you will agree with me, this is clockwise, and by that time your black wire was below and red wire on the top. I change it, and you see the rotation should be anti-clockwise. Remember one thing, this mechanical brushing by my arrangement is such that it can be at any point. This is the beauty of the multiple segment commutator. Suppose somebody wanted to test like this. Let me test like this. It should. Now, as far as this concept of the commercial armature is concerned, this is the best form of armature, and that is why it is used in commercial universal motors like grinder and some tool motors like that. Thank you for watching this video. We join the next